going on, Elmo?
So the tread's running pretty low. We're getting our first changeover with the tyres, which is a good opportunity for us because we can come in, we don't know how to do it. So
You're not. Are you using this machine here to change your tires?
No, we're actually using it with tire levers because we're not going to have one of those when we're out in the desert or wherever we're going to be for our trip. So we're trying to use tire levers. The boys are walking us through, and
So what happened earlier? Like we had everything set to go, we're going good, Gareth's helping us out, and then what happened?
Wrong size tube and wrong tire.
Well, before that though, why did we have to change the tube to begin with?
Oh, you can't blame that on me.
No, it's not, I'm not, but just explain what happened.
An anonymous member of the group pinched the inner tube, so we had to rip it out, and it's got like a little patch out the back, and we've got this, it's like a silicone liner inside the tube, so if you get a minor puncture while you're driving, it basically fills the hole, and you can barely tell the difference apparently when you're driving that, because we're not riding at the moment. That hole means the tube's kind of broken, so we've just got a patch on it at the moment. Hopefully that works out. We just put a brand new tube in, but then I'll put the wrong size tube in that inside.
So now
it's back out and
rip it out and put the right size tube in. Yeah.
It's good to see that I got a little patch. Kenny doesn't have a little dirty patch because he doesn't get dirty. So once again, it's the electrician that has to like get his hands dirty and stuff like that. Well, Aldo just sort of sits back, lurking, breathing heavily with the camera, as per usual. But yeah, it should be a good day with the boys. We got new tyres on, new bar busters and things for our handlebars, a couple of little touch-ups, and more camping here. And tomorrow we start heading south. We should be at the southernmost point of Africa and start heading our way east to Durban. And tomorrow is the actual first official leave Cape Town and never come back. We've been here for like 6 or 7 weeks now, and trying to find the country. Exciting times for the boys.